know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right.
Love this weekend. Don't fall in love, oh. Are you okay? Are you okay? Scatter my brain. I just have been a pizza rice. I will never leave your side. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit tipsy, but I've been having an amazing evening. I overfed myself, and now I feel so heavy. See, can you see my tummy? Oh, yeah, baby, spank it, baby. I see I'm tipsy. I have a glass of cocktail rather called Zombie. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this fucking vlog. Like this video, share with your friends and village people, leave a comment below, and subscribe. I'm so angry I didn't come out with my mic, and now I'm screaming in the restroom. I just finished touching up my makeup and I brushed my hair. Thank you.
Say you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me forever. I know this will end tonight, but you'll be the one for me.
What's your name? How's it pronounced? Inene Calabar. Abadie. Can I try, please? Do you mind me taking with my left? So I want this. This has a little bit of chocolate inside, right? Stracciatella. Stracciatella. Yeah. Can I have 3 scoops? Thank you. So this might be perfect.
It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight. Keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay a while. 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 I said let me stay a while.
Oh my god. Please, who wants to pay for my lipo and BBL? So when I'm done, my hip will be like this. To be huge. Who's ready to pay for it? Contribute now, oh, if you want to see my body after the surgery. Oh. If not, I will block you from watching me on YouTube. Oh. You hear me? Oh. Outside, everybody. I think that most times when I go out, especially in the evenings in Lagos, by 11, 12, 1, my body starts shutting down. I get so tired that I want to go home. I want to go home. Like, I just want a new location. I want to travel. I want to see the world. I want to see how it is, how other people live in other parts of the world. My friend is still out, but man, I don't know. If I stay one more minute outside, I will faint. Like, what the fuck? I said, make I run home, I beg. I miss my house, I miss my home, I miss my bed. I think that I'm a loner. I just like my company. I've learned how to enjoy staying with me. I like spending time with me. Most times, I might not even leave my house for 1 week. I need to clean it again. Look at the wipe I'm using. Beauty Formulas Tea Tree Cleansing Wipes. It's not bad. I don't break out when I use this wipe to wipe my face, but most times I wipe it there, wash with my cleanser, and then do my skincare routine. But this night, I'm not gonna bathe, I beg, I'm tired. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna sleep. Don't be me cute, Jesus, I beg. Let me clean my neck. It's bath, I'm bathing. If this bath is not enough, What else? Chukun is gonna for summer. What else do I need? Why do I have to bath? So guys, I'm at Swatch. I want to change my battery. Oh god, this light here is ooh. This light is lighting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I lost it in January. I don't know how that thing fell from my hand. See how big the mall is. Massive. I'm going into MAC shop. I want to try the MAC powder. Here I am. Hi, good evening.
Hi.
Are you actually in a video?
Yes. It's not allowed. Your face will not show.
Okay, you're not taking video.
No, no, it's me. Ah,
Okay.
I'm
You're a
the
blogger.
yes, I'm the product. It's not even.
This is called Studio Fix. I'm trying NC43 for you, and it's long lasting. Oil controlling too, and it gives a natural matte finish. Let's try NC42 on the other side. You have a setting spray.
Guys, this side is 42.
42, then the other side
Here is 43. I know you guys can't see the difference. I saw even me. You know they look alike to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. So there's this particular red one I like. There's no hair. I don't know why people look at me weirdly. They look into my eyes. Maybe when they see me talking into this camera. So guys, I used to like this red wine, Rubies. I used to like it a lot. Then I had this in my house, Campari. No, this. I had this in my house. Then I threw it away. Because I felt like, why does a drink have to be bitter? There's something else I came to this shop right to do. Okay, I'm going to Health Plus. Good afternoon, sir. I can pass here, right? So, I used to have that. What's that thing called? I used to have Campari. I don't know how that thing got to my house. And one day I looked at it, I was like, what is this annoying drink doing here? And it's so bitter. So I threw it away. I was like, is it me that will be drinking and be squeezing face? Why do I have to suffer while drinking? Oh, this place is so quiet. Good evening. Please, do you have Iman powder? You guys don't stock it anymore.
I don't think so.
Where can I get it? I want it. I've been looking for Iman Luxury Press powder. It is a dupe for Black Up. Sorry, it's a dupe for Black Up powder or MAC powder. But I've heard so much about MAC. That's why I went to try out their powder and to know my exact shade. This is like a trip to the mall. I'm at the restroom. You guys need to close your ears. And you guys should know that if you're peeing in a public toilet, you shouldn't sit on it. Oh. I feel like you guys are watching me. Time for my ice cream. Thank you. Perfect. I don't know how this ice cream just fell off from the cone. It's even stained my shirt and my mic. From now, I'm scooping it in here. It's like this ice cream doesn't like me. What do you guys think about this powder? I think it's nice, actually. Can you imagine? I left my bag. Who leaves a bag? Guys, I'm cooking basmati rice. I'm gonna eat it with. Come on, now stop smoking. With chicken pepper soup. Yeah. See? Yummy. I just finished eating. I had the rice and pepper soup already, but something happened. I injured myself Wait, chill, yeah. Can you guys see? I wasn't eating the bone, but I wanted to eat the flesh in between. You know how chicken wings are? Like, it's like this. So I wanted to eat the flesh. So I don't know how the bone just tore my skin. How? You know, funny enough, the thing bled. It's bleeded. It's bled. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Theater, everything is gonna be okay, okay? Yes. I'm kissing myself. I'm learning how to be soft and kind to myself. But skin is skinning, goody. Skin is skinning. God, you created me. Oh. You created. I don't know if I should cry or laugh. Night. Okay, this is my disco light. Are you ready? Don't even look at this fan. I can't even open this fan and clean by myself. So I'm waiting for my friend to come and help me dismantle it and clean and put it back. Anyways, let me dance. Are you ready for this dance? Are you ready for this slave queen? I'm gonna show you how. Wait, first, let me cover my bum bum. I'm not giving you guys free show. I'm gonna show you how a slave queen dances. Eat a shake. Just put on Folake there by Boy Spice. Wait, I need to show my tummy. Bumpers. Time to shake. You know, back in the days, you guys used to laugh at me that I couldn't dance. I had to learn. Nah, I finally learned. Listen! You and I go leave. Ooh. For like them. I got dance so.
2,000 years later.
I'm done. See, I'm panting. Jesus. Hold on, please. This light is disturbing my eyes. I've not danced in a long time. I've not exercised in a long time. I've not had sex in a long time. My friend was asking me yesterday how I'm going to, won't I be stiff in bed? And I was like, I'm going to be stiff whenever I'm ready to start having sex again. Do I have to prove to the man that, am I Akuna? Do I have to come and be doing in bed? That's what you want me to be doing. To show you that I'm good. To prove to you that I'm good in bed. Is your head doing you? You should be the one proving to me that you're good. You should be the one pleasing me in bed. Because it's when a woman is pleased in bed that she can, you know? Well, that's, sorry. When a woman is pleased in bed, that is when her body can relax and open. My head hurts. I need to go downstairs. See ya. Oh my God. Guys, look at this weather. The weather is so beautiful. It's about to rain. It's so breezy. The weather is so beautiful. Just ignore the wires. You know this is how Nigeria is. The only way you're gonna know you're in Nigeria is when you see wires. Our wires are wiring. I think I love rainy season. That's my best season. Then I like Hamatan. These are the best, my best 2 seasons in Nigeria. I don't like dry season. It's boring. When I was growing up, I never liked rainy season and Hamatan. I don't know, I just didn't like it. It was so uncomfortable for me. But now, Oba, good evening, sir. But now it's like, woo. So, hold on, I need to connect my mic. Hold on. I'm facing the sun. See. Oh, I'm on my way to the store where I bought this. I need to return this cord because it's no longer working. By the way, are you feeling my makeup? What? I don't like Vavoom makeup. I like subtle beats. I like looking like myself when I'm done with my makeup. I tried a new makeup routine today. I didn't even put so much on my face. And damn, I think it looks good actually. You want to see a video of how I did this makeup? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, can you imagine? I just got here. Quick update. You see? The gate is shut. I'm so pissed. I feel so stupid coming out to this place and there's no shop open. Do you know that I called this person I got this mic from this morning? I called once and he didn't pick and he didn't even return my call. I just have this habit of calling just once. I feel like calling 2, 3, 4 times. Like if someone sees your missed call, the person should return it. I'm so pissed. I would have just called again and harassed this man. So I wanted to surprise him and now I've surprised myself. I feel so stupid. Ah! Anyways, my makeup still looks good. What do you guys think about this makeup? Do you know this makeup was done within 10 minutes? Okay, let me say 5 to 10 minutes. I'm leaving the sun before I blind myself. So now this makeup seems wasted. It's as if I just did this makeup for this video. And it's so weird to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment below. Share this video with your friends, village people, and everybody you fucking know in your life. And try and be engaging with the video because the engagement helps my video perform well. So I'll see you guys in my next video and subscribe. Bye.